So today I want to go and react to this video posted by Samsung. It's them showing off how much they test their Galaxy Z Fold 5s and Z Flip 5. It's called the reliability test. Let's go ahead and watch this. Now, as we know, Samsung claims that their foldable phones and flippable phones can withstand 200,000 folds. So that's what they're showing right here, I believe, is seeing exactly how many times they can fold it before it breaks. This, of course, should hit 200,000 before they break. Now, a lot of people have, experienced the inner displays breaking. So the fact that they tested this much and there's not a problem, but then someone can get this for a week or two, a month, a year, and then this inside right here breaks, is kind of crazy. I'll definitely tell you that. I've seen a lot of them. I'm not talking about like a small percentage. A lot of these phones have broke the inside displays. Second test is the Tumble Test. So obviously this is the drop test, which I believe the Galaxy Z Fold 5 is the same thing as the Galaxy Z Fold 4 when it comes to drop testing. I believe. Actually, no, I don't think there's any like actual like metrics they give you for how long you can drop it without it breaking. Overall wise, I've seen these phones be very almost indestructible though when it comes to dropping them. When it comes to dropping them when they're closed, they're actually really freaking amazing. And it looks like they're actually doing it when they're closed and open. Now, for the water test, they actually do have IPX8, which is you can be submerged into, as he says right here, submerged 1.5 meters of fresh water. But I believe it can be submerged up to 30 minutes in that, and it should be fine. And based on what we saw the Galaxy Z Fold 4 get tested in water, these phones are so perfect when it comes to water resistance. Like, they do not break. And the reason why is because, of course, they have liquid that goes over the components to make it waterproof. So instead of iPhones that just have rubber seals on all the ports, this actually has, liquid that goes over the components to avoid it from breaking. We have environmental chambers test. Okay. So what are they showing? Super cold and super hot. Drop test. Okay. Wonder how much of these videos or these drop tests are actually legitimate, or I mean, they don't really show us the phone. That's another thing. They don't really show us the phone when it drops to see how it withstood anything. That could be cracked for all we know. The inside displays could be cracked. They don't really show us any of that. So that is kind of interesting. Now, of course, this is not, these phones aren't going out to people. These are just them testing to make sure these phones, this is all the things they can withstand. And obviously when you buy it, you know that this is all going on. Now, of course, this is not Samsung sitting here saying, oh, guys, you can do all these things to your phone and you won't break them. Maybe the water-resistant one, but everything else, no. If you fold the phone 200,000 times like this, you're going to eventually break it. If you do go ahead and drop it, you're eventually going to break it. If you put it in extreme cold or extreme heat, you're going to break it. Like, these are all obviously just, showing off, like, look, we actually test our phones. We don't just send you crap out. We actually test them. So when they break, it's not our fault because, we actually did our due diligence. I like these videos because it does show you, the behind-the-scenes processes of these phones. But it's a lot of this is just, I would say, PR, because a lot of this is just nonsense. Because clearly we have seen these phones break not very easy. Well, some of them very easily, and others, over time. So it's very interesting. Tell me down below if you picked up a Galaxy Z Fold 5 yet, because I'm still waiting for the OnePlus to come out, and I think I'm gonna pick up that phone. I was going to pick up a Z Fold 5, but I have a Z Fold 4, and I'll be honest with you, this does not interest me. The OnePlus Open, that one interests me. Google Pixel Fold, if you guys do not know, I did buy the phone. And then my order got delayed like 3 or 4 times, which actually was common. A lot of people's orders got delayed. And then mine got canceled. I got a refund for it. And then I tried to buy it again, and it said it wouldn't come to, I think it said August, September time period. So I went to Verizon, tried to buy it from Verizon. They didn't have it. So, yeah, I'm still looking, trying to get that phone. And then OnePlus comes out next month, so I might be just picking up that phone instead. But the Galaxy Z Fold 5, it's a Z Fold 4S. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.